Hello students, today we will start exercise 2.2 word problem. All questions of this exercise are based on word problem only. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? If you subtract half from a number, if you do not understand the question, try to read 4 to 5 times, definitely will come to know the meaning of that question. Subtract half from a number. So first of all, I will assume let the number be x, and according to your question, what will be your equation? If you subtract half from a number, so let the number be x, and I have subtracted half from the number, and multiply the result. What is the result? After subtracting x minus 1 upon 2, what you will get? That is your answer. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, if you multiply it by half, you will get 1 upon 8. This is your equation. How I will solve this question? X minus 1 upon 2. This 1 upon 2 I will shift down. This is multiplication position. It will go in division position. So I will do reciprocal. So it will become 2 upon 1. So x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to, reduce this, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, you will get 1 upon 4. So x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. Shift this minus 1 upon 2 to the right hand side, you will get plus 1 upon 2. Take LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So here you will get 1 plus 2. So your final answer is 3 upon 4. What is the number? The number is 3 upon 4. You can solve the same equation by another method also. I explained you about distributivity property. Half multiplied by x and half multiplied by minus half. Half multiplied by x is x upon 2 and half multiplied by minus half. Minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 gives you minus 1 upon 4. So minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 8. Shift this. X upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8. When I shift minus 1 upon 4 to the right hand side, it will become plus 1 upon 4. X upon 2 is equal to, take LCM of 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So here you will get 1 plus 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So x is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. You can reduce here also. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So what is remaining? X is equal to 3 upon 4. Whatever method you use, you get the same answer. Now I will explain you question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle. You know what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Any triangle having two equal sides is called isosceles triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3. So first I will make one isosceles triangle. Suppose this is your isosceles triangle and these two sides are equal. And its base is 4 upon 3. This is known as base. 4 upon 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter is given in question. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. And sum of all the sides is already given in question. Your perimeter is 4 2 upon 15. This is isosceles triangle, so I can assume both the sides as x. So what is perimeter? AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 4 2 by 50 centimeter. AB is your first side, BC is your second side, and CA is your third side. These two sides are equal. So I will assume let the equal sides of an isosceles triangle BX. Equal sides I have assumed X. Okay, and perimeter is given in your question. So what will be your equation? Your equation will be AB is X plus BC is given in question 4/3 and AC is also X, and sum of all the three sides is given in question 4 2/15. So X plus X 2X plus 4/3, 15 4 is 60, 60 plus 2, 62/15. This becomes a simple equation. Now I will do shifting. This 4/3 I will shift to the right hand side. This is plus 4/3. This will become minus 4/3. Now take LCM. LCM of 15 and 3 is 15. So 62, 3 5s are 15. So 5 4s are 20. So next step you will get 2x is equal to 62 minus 20 is equal to 42/15. Now x is equal to 42/15. This is 2x. 2 multiplied by x. This 2 will shift down in division position. Now you can either multiply or reduce, or after multiplying you can reduce. It depends on your choice. 42, 15 2s are 30. I am reducing this. 6 7s are 42 and 6 5s are 30. So 7/5. So your x is equal to 7/5, or you can say 5 times 5, 2 remainder upon 7 centimeter. This is your solution. This is question number 3. Students, now I will solve question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5:3. If they differ by 18, what do you mean by differ? Differ means difference. When you subtract these two numbers, you will get 18. What are the number? Very easy question it is. Let the two numbers be already given in question 5:3. So you will assume 5x and 3x. Let the two number be 5x and 3x. Now according to your question, if they differ by 18, according to your question, what will be your equation? If they differ by 18, differ means difference. Difference of 5x and 3x is 18. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x equal to 18. 2 multiplied by x. So 2 will go in division position. 18/2. 2 9s are 80. So your x is equal to 9. What are the numbers? The first number you assume was 5x. Your first number is 5x. So 5 multiplied by x. So what is your x? 9. So 5 9s are 45. And your second number, what do you have assumed? 3x. 3x means 3 multiplied by x. 3 multiplied by x. What is your x? 9. 3 9s are 27. These are the two numbers 45 and 27.